Hello all, welcome to Pamita AI World. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari and you are watching my YouTube channel Pamita AI World. So all the students, you're most welcome on my YouTube channel in which I teach artificial intelligence, data science and machine learning, deep learning, neural network related all the concepts. And of course, I do paid classes also as well as free classes also. So students, in my last video I was teaching about Kendall's tau, fine, and I taught you how we calculate the mathematical expression of Kendall's tau. In this video it is the continuous part of the previous video. So before jumping into this video, please watch all the videos previously which I taught to all the students, fine, related to Kendall's tau. So in this video I'll tell you the continuous part of that previous video where we have calculated the Kendall's tau value. Kendall's tau, fine. So in my previous video of Kendall's tau, we have calculated that Kendall's tau C minus D upon C plus D. Using that formula we have calculated 11 minus 4 upon 11 plus 4, and that how we calculated this thing, please watch that previous video, and it came 0.47, fine. So now point is, when we built AI model or machine learning model, or some data came to us in the form of whether it is structural data or non-structural data, we all data scientists or we can say machine learning engineers, what they do with this Kendall's tau, they use alternative hypothesis and null hypothesis, fine. The null hypothesis result in null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. So when tau value came 0, when tau value came 0, like this 0.47, fine. Even 7 value, if we'll take 1 here plus 1, because it is larger than 5, it would come 0.5. So it would be nearest to 1. So there is some relation, but there is not complete correlation, fine. So null hypothesis proposed that if tau is equal to 0, it means there is no correlation. If tau is equal to 0, there is no correlation. And on the other hand, if tau is not 0, if the value here came in the form of 1.3 or 2.3, so directly you could say that, all the students directly, or data scientists, they could say that by seeing this tau value only, just not seeing the graph or data, by just seeing tau value, data scientists can relate that the features or the concepts or features they have drawn from that particular thing, particular data. If tau is not 0, it means that there is some correlation between the features or components provided in the data. Fine. So this is the main crux of Kendall's Tau. In this video I have completed all here. Congratulations if you have all the students gone through my Kendall's Tau related videos. This is the final part of Kendall's Tau, and here Kendall's Tau explanation is finished. Fine, the concept is finished. In my next video I'll teach you how with the help of Python language we draw Kendall's Tau. Fine, so let's stay tuned to the Pamita AI world to learn these concepts. Thanks a lot for learning through Pamita AI world, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe. And thanks a lot. Keep learning. Happy learning. Thank you for trusting Pamita AI World 18.